Hello students, in last lecture we solved some examples from problem set 5. We have solved up to example number 8 in your homework also. Now next two examples, example number 9 and 10 are deleted for this year. Now we will see next examples. Example number 11, show that points P, Q, R, S are the vertices of parallelogram. We know that the opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, to prove that quadrilateral is parallelogram, we have to find PQ, QR, RS and PS, that is sides of quadrilateral. In those lengths, PQ will be equal to RS and QR will be equal to PS, means opposite sides will be congruent, therefore it will be parallelogram. Simply you can show that. Now example number 12, show that quadrilateral PQRS is RS formed by P, Q, R and S is a rectangle. We will solve this example. See example number 12, show that quadrilateral PQRS formed by P21, Q -1 3, R -5 -3 and S -2 -5 is a rectangle. We have to show that quadrilateral is rectangle. To show, first we have known about the properties of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle are congruent, as well as the diagonals of rectangle are also congruent. So first, by using distance formula, we will find the sides of triangle, sides of quadrilateral. Here PQ is equal to, by using distance formula, PQ is equal to 2 minus -1 bracket square plus 1 minus 3 bracket square, that is x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to, here 2 minus -1, that is 2 plus 1, 3 square plus 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 square is equal to 9 plus 4 is equal to root 13. It is first side. Then second, QR is equal to -1 minus -5 square plus 3 minus -3 square, 3 minus -3 square is equal to -1 minus -5, that is -1 plus 5 bracket square plus 3 minus -3, 3 plus 3 bracket square, that is, here -1 plus 5, 4, 4 square plus 6 square is equal to 16 plus 36 is equal to 52, that is 2 root 13. Factors of 52 will be 4 into 13. Square root of 4 is 2. Therefore, the value will be 2 root 13. Now next side is RS. Side RS, here -5 -2 bracket square plus -3 -5 bracket square -3 -5 bracket square is equal to -5 plus 2 square plus -3 plus 5 square is equal to -5 plus 2 -3 square plus -5 plus -3 plus 5 2 square is equal to 9 plus 4 is equal to root 13. Last size is PS. PS here coordinate of point P are 2 1 and S -2 -5. 2 -2 bracket square plus 1 -5 bracket square is equal to 2 plus 2 bracket square plus 1 plus 5 square is equal to 2 plus 2 4 square plus 6 square, that is 16 plus 36. Again sum is 52 and simplification of this third will be 2 root, here 52 means 4 into 13, it will be 2 root 13. Therefore here in the sides PQ root 3, RS root 3, therefore PQ is equal to RS and QR 2 root 13, PS also 2 root 13 and QR is equal to PS. Means opposite sides are congruent. Opposite sides are congruent. It may be parallelogram or rectangle. Therefore, to show that the quadrilateral is rectangle, we must have find the diagonals of quadrilateral. Therefore, first diagonal is PR. PR is equal to under root, here 2 minus 5 bracket square plus 1 minus 3 bracket square is equal to 2 minus 5 means 2 plus 5 square plus 1 plus 3 square is equal to 7 square plus 4 square is equal to 49 plus 16 is equal to under root 9 plus 6 5, 4 plus 2 6, root 65. Now next diagonal is QS. QS is equal to, here coordinates of point Q are -1 3 and S are -2 -5. -1 minus 2 square plus 3 minus 5 square is equal to -1 plus 2 bracket square plus 3 plus 5 bracket square is equal to 1 square plus 8 square 1 plus 64 is equal to 65. Therefore, diagonal PR is also equal to diagonal QS. Therefore, as opposite sides are congruent here, opposite sides are congruent, and here diagonals are congruent. Therefore, from 1 and 2, quadrilateral PQRS is rectangle. Therefore, to show the quadrilateral is rectangle, we have to find all 4 sides and 2 diagonals of quadrilateral. Now, example number 13. Find the length of the medians of a triangle whose vertices are a minus 1 1, b 5 minus 3, c 3 5. Here, if we suppose any triangle ABC, coordinates -1 1, 5 minus 3 and 3 5, we have to find the lengths of medians of a triangle. Suppose first median is AP, second BQ, and third median CR. Here, to find the length of median AP, we must have known the coordinates of point P. If suppose AB are the coordinates of point P, P is midpoint of segment BC. Therefore, by using midpoint theorem, we can find the coordinates of point P. Similarly, to find coordinates of point Q, we use midpoint theorem for segment AB, and suppose EF are the coordinates of point R. If we have find the coordinates of these midpoints, then we can find the lengths of the medians by using distance formula. First, let P AB, Q CD, and R EF are the midpoints of side BC, AC, and AB. By using midpoint formula, x coordinate of P, that is A, is equal to x1 plus x2, 5 plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. Now, B is equal to -3 plus 5 y1 plus y2 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, 41 is, or P41 is midpoint of side BC. Now, Q is midpoint of side AC. Similarly, by using same formula, C is equal to 3 plus minus 1 upon 2, that is 3 minus 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Then D is equal to y1 plus y2 means 5 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, Q13 is midpoint of side AC. Similarly, E, that is x coordinate of point R, is equal to minus 1 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. F is equal to 1 plus minus 3 upon 2, that is minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, R 2 minus 1 is the midpoint of side AB. Now we have get all three midpoints. Therefore, to find the length of medians, first median is, suppose AP. AP is equal to, by using distance formula, coordinates of point A are minus 1, 1 and coordinates of point P are 4, 1. Therefore, here x2 minus x1 bracket square means 4 minus 1 bracket square plus 1 minus 1 bracket square is equal to 4 plus 1 bracket square plus 1 minus 1 0 bracket square is equal to 5 square plus 0 is equal to 25, that is 5. Means length of median AP is equal to 5. Now second median will be, here see we have find AP. Second median is BQ. Coordinates of point Q are 1, 3 and coordinates of point B are 5, minus 1. Therefore, BQ is equal to 5 minus x2 minus x1, 5 minus 1 bracket square plus minus 3 bracket square is equal to 4 square plus minus 6 square is equal to 16 plus 36 is equal to root 52, means 2 root 13. Length of second median. And last median is CR. Coordinates of point C are 3, 5 and R are 2, minus 1. Therefore, 3 minus 2 bracket square plus 5 minus minus 1 bracket square. See here, coordinates of point C are 3, 5, and coordinates of point E, that is EF, are 2 minus 1. Therefore 3 minus 2 bracket square plus 5 minus minus 1 bracket square is equal to 1 square plus 5 minus minus 1, 5 plus 1, that is 6 square, is equal to 1 plus 36 is equal to root 37 is the length of third median. Therefore 5 2 root 13 and root 37 are the lengths of medians of a triangle whose vertices are a minus 1 1 or triangle ABC in short. In this way, in this example, mid triangle ABC, vertices of triangle ABC were given. First we found the midpoints, coordinates of midpoints of side AB, BC and AC. Then by using the coordinates of two endpoints of median, we have find the lengths of medians of triangle ABC. In this way, you can solve the examples by using distance formula, midpoint formula or section formula. It was 13th example from problem set. Now 14th example is also there. Find the coordinates of the centroid of triangle if points D, E, F are the midpoints. Means in that example, midpoints are given and we have to find centroid. Each centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1. Therefore use M and N as 2 and 1. Use section formula and solve that example. If you have any difficulty in that example, ask me on WhatsApp. Then 15th example is so that A 4 minus 1, B 6 0, C 7 minus 2, D 5 minus 3 are vertices of a square. Again we have to find all sides of quadrilateral. As we have to show the quadrilateral is square, all sides will be congruent. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, and diagonals will also congruent because diagonals of square are congruent. So also find diagonals AC and BD, they will also congruent. In this way you have homework from example 11 to 15. Homework, solve examples 11 to 15 from problem set 5. Thank you.